everyone, it's Angel here. Welcome back to my channel where I share a lot of my hair DIYs, hair projects, our hair care journey for me and Gabriel's curly hair, BoxyCharm reviews, product reviews. So those are things that I usually share on my channel, and a lot of those things are mainly DIYs I try on my hair and in Gabriel's hair. So today we'll be doing another DIY that I found on YouTube. This mixture is kind of similar to the ones that I have been doing with the ingredients, but it's slightly different. She adds a couple different things that I haven't tried quite yet that I've been wanting to try. So I'm glad that this had like the things that I've been using and some new things I've been wanting to try. So today we're going to be trying a new DIY. So if you're interested in that, stick with me and let's just get into it. Okay, so let's get into this. This DIY I found on YouTube, and it's using a lot of the ingredients that I normally use. So I use a lot of aloe vera from the aloe vera plant. I get this locally at the store at the Sprouts out here. You can also get them at the Food Lion out here. Well, actually I got this at the farmer's market. Aloe vera, of course. And Sprouts here locally has actually been getting their own organic fresh herbs, so I've been collecting herbs from Sprouts as I see them there. So I found almost everything that I need from Sprouts because they're selling them. And usually buy my herbs from Etsy. I usually get them from just personal sellers that are selling herbs on Etsy, and I've never had a problem with getting my herbs from them. But it is a little cheaper when you're able to find it locally and they're selling it for just as much and you're not paying shipping. So cool. Some of the herbs I still do have to get on Etsy because they don't sell them at Sprouts yet. But I was lucky enough to get the ingredients that I needed for this DIY and some of the other things that I was looking for to make some tinctures and stuff like that, because I've been learning about making tinctures. So one of those ingredients was nettle leaf. Right, so I've been researching and finding so many benefits to nettle leaf. Okay, this is stinging nettle leaf. All right, stinging nettle plant. So many benefits that you can get from nettle leaf, and I saw that it was really good for hair growth and for your hair shine and so much more. So I wanted to try and find like a DIY or a mixture that I could try with nettle leaf, since I was already getting it anyway to make my tincture. And then I came up across this mixture which had nettle leaf in it, which was fenugreek, because I just collected fenugreek from Sprouts, and I have green tea. I decided to go with China green tea. It was one of the cheaper ones. So I was able to find all of these herbs at Sprouts. Then I have the mixture calls for rosemary. This is organic rosemary that I actually got from Etsy this time. Etsy, this is from All Access Herbs on Etsy. They do have their own website, and you can order it straight from their website instead of Etsy if you wanted to. So this is, I used this in my last video, the rosemary and aloe vera mix spray that I did. And I also use these in my yoni steams. So then the video called for black castor oil. She used black castor. I'm hesitant to use black castor oil and leave it in my hair all night, because when I use thick oils, my face and my hair is really oily. Now, my forehead would probably break out and my hair would probably stay oily for days. So I'm gonna not do the black castor oil this time. I'm gonna do the just olive oil. I got this olive oil from Aldi. It is organic, extra virgin olive oil. So I think I'm just gonna substitute it with olive oil and we'll see how the mix goes. And last but not least, she ends up using peppermint oil. Peppermint oil I have used a lot in my remedies, especially when I do the apple cider vinegar, because it makes it smell better. So I'm gonna be making her little remedy that she put together, minus the castor oil, for the olive oil. So the YouTuber that I was following for this video, her name is Fayette, and I'm probably saying her last name wrong. I'm so sorry, boo. But this is her channel. This is her video that you can find. I will drop her link to this video so that you can find it and find the original video and do the skin action yourself. But this is who I got this recipe from. All of these ingredients, most of these ingredients I already use in my hair, even though she's got, you know, super curly. This is black hair. My hair this is Hispanic, just straight Indian hair. And it's completely different textures, but the ingredients will do the same. The only difference is that I'm changing the oils that I use. She's using a more thicker oil, and I'm gonna use a little bit more lighter oil. So we'll see how this comes out. And because I haven't done a DIY mixture in a while for me and Gabe, I've only done them for myself lately. I think I'm gonna do wash day for me and the baby, and I'm gonna make a big batch of this stuff and make some for me and Gabriel. Gabriel, come here. This is my son, Gabriel. He's mixed. He's half black and he's half Mexican. He got his daddy's curly hair and my hair type, or my hair texture, I guess you could say. His hair, he's due for a wash day and a deep conditioner. So we usually will do one of these DIYs instead of doing a deep conditioner. and then we will see how his hair comes out. And usually the DIYs work really well with his hair also, so since it's been a while, I thought, why not do one on me and Gabriel while I'm at it. Are you ready, Gabriel? If you guys are ready, let's make this huge concoction for me and Gabriel's hair, and let's get into it. Okay guys, here is our main ingredients. Here is the herbs. Here we have the nettle leaf, we have rosemary here, and then we have fenugreek and the green tea, which I use the China green tea. Fresh herbs here. Look at how pretty that looks. That's just a variety of different colors and shades. Oh, that looks so cool. So essentially what she's doing, she's taking these herbs, which is about 2 tablespoons each of each herb. The green tea, she used packets, but give or take, the packets look like it's about a tablespoon and a half, give or take. And essentially she puts them all in some warm water. Okay, so she's gonna make a tea. She's essentially making a tea out of all these herbs. She takes the tea, the water here. I don't even want to ruin it. It just looks pretty. Look at that. Let's just stare at it for a minute. Let's embrace it for a second. Okay, so she's gonna pour all this into. I don't want to lose precious herb. Mixes it up like so. Okay, so it's mixed up pretty well. It did end up adding a little bit more hot water to it because it didn't look like it was. It looked like it was way. The ratio was not right. She didn't use. Hold on just a second, baby. I'm making a video. So she used not as much herbs as I did because I'm trying to make double the batch. So I'm going to be doing my hair and Gabriel's hair. And she did this mainly because she was targeting her edges. And although I do need growth in that area, my whole scalp and hair need it. So I will be using it on my hair. My hair is knee length. It goes down to my knees. So I have a lot of hair to cover. And Gabriel has pretty long curly hair as well. So I needed a pretty big batch to cover both of us. So I used double of everything. She's gonna let it steep for 45 minutes before she adds the aloe and puts the mix together and then puts it in her hair. So this is gonna sit for about 45 minutes before I add the aloe. I'm gonna put it aside over here. I'm gonna prep dinner. We'll be leaving this in our hair all night. So I'm running to the store to get us another good spray bottle that we could use and maybe some hair wraps. I don't usually leave stuff in my hair at night that's like this, that may leave my hair wet because it will get everywhere. I might find a way to wrap it up and maybe I can sleep with it at night because my hair is not going to dry. My hair is super long, as you can see. So I'm going to see how the hair wrap works in my hair and in Gabriel's hair. I'm sure it'll be fine in Gabriel's hair because his hair's not as long. But so that's what we're going to do, and we'll be right back. Hey, we are back, everyone. It's time to cut this aloe vera. I'm not too sure why she lets it sit in the water, but we did it. We let it sit in the water for about 30-40 minutes while we were gone. Well, that's the concoction was marinating right there in the bowl. And now I'm going to cut the aloe vera out and put it in the blender. Okay, now it's all gutted. I'm gonna go ahead and blend it and strain it. Might need to plug it in. that should do it. I'm gonna clean up this mess and start applying it to my hair. And the mixture is ready and in the spray bottle. I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair first since I have way more hair than Gabriel, and then I'll do his. So I'm just taking my new Goody brush and brushing out my tangles. I took it out of the braids today, so it is super tangly. Put my tape on here because it's got oil and I don't want to get oil on my clothes. So I'm putting this on. It's not going to protect my back too much, but I will up here. So here we go. I'm going to do section by section. I'm going to take these earrings off. Or not. Just going to start off with right in the middle. And I'll part it and spray it throughout the entire head from one side to another. Are you open? You are open. Ah! Ooh, this spray bottle's like... I'm glad I didn't put eyebrows on today. The spray bottle's working pretty bomb. I think you could probably smell the fenugreek more than anything else. Everyone, I'm gonna go ahead and finish doing this side onto the other side. Once my scalp is complete, I'll see how much I can get up the bottom of my hair, and we'll be right back. Okay, so I've done my whole scalp. I'm just gonna go ahead and spray the edges, my edges here, my baby hairs. Soak those a good amount without trying to get it on my eyes and melting off my eyelashes and my eyeliner. As you can see, I'm still growing back. That huge space that you see all the way around here, there should be thick hair there. So that's how much hairline I'm still missing. Because my hair is so long, it's tangly again, obviously. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a good brush and try to spritz and spray the bottom of my hair. Alright, so my hair's looking super oily, but whatever. It brushed out pretty well. My hair is like really soft already. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a good spray. Get it a little damp first. Now I'm gonna go and just kind of separate and do little pieces at a time. Alright, so my hair is all soaked. Got it pretty good. It was easy to brush my hair out. It's actually pretty soft. So she leaves this in overnight, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it into a light braid and then wrap it up and try to keep it off of my pillows. So that's what I'm gonna do about right now. No, this is probably not how you put this in your hair, but it's tight. It's not moving, my hair is not gonna fall out of it. It's gonna have to do. Okay, I'm just gonna leave this hair up. I'm gonna go and do Gabe's hair and get that over with. Okay, our hair is up. Definitely not excellent, but it's up. We're getting ready to get ready for bed, and then we will be back tomorrow and show you the results after we wash our hair. Okay, everyone, hi, welcome back. It is the next morning, but overall, my hair is still super wet. It did protect my pillows a little bit, so I'm glad I did get one for me and Gabriel. So now I'm getting ready to wash my hair, and I'm going to be using the Extra Strength. This is from OGX, the Extra Strength Refreshing Scalp Tea Treatment Conditioner and Shampoo. I got this idea of you trying this from Audrey Victoria, and so I decided to give it a try since my scalp still was not doing great. And I'm going to wash my hair with this. I'm not going to super scrub my hair because Fayette said not to wash it out, but I can't leave these oils in my hair, so I'm going to go ahead and give it a light wash. It's Gabriel's wash day, so I'm going to be washing our hair, just not super scrubbing it, getting the oils out of my hair, but not too much. So here we go. All right, we're back. Looks pretty shiny. My hair is wet. I just washed it and put it in a towel. I'm gonna let it dry a little bit by itself before I blow dry it on cool, warm heat. My hair is super easy to brush through. It's super soft. It was even soft before I washed it when I took it out of the braid to wash it. It was super soft. Okay, here we have it. My hair is brushed and detangled. Look at that shine. Oh, my hands are just running through it. And lately, my hair has not been this smooth to just run my fingers through without it getting tangled. It was just not happy with me with what I've been doing. Because I feel like my hair misses the DIYs. Let's take a look at my scalp here. Still super flaky. Alright, so here's the side, my scalp. it looks very clean, but and soft. It's just not getting rid of the dandruff all the way yet, so I'm gonna keep doing it. Once my hair dries about 70-80% by itself, air drying, I'm going to apply just a little bit to my scalp in my problem areas, which is here and right in my crown area, straight back. So, and then I will just spritz the end once it's already starting to dry. Spritz just the end, just to give it a little bit something, some moisture and stuff to sit in throughout the day, because the bottom of my hair doesn't get oily, it's the top of my hair that gets oily. So I'm gonna put my face on and let my hair dry, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like after I do it. All right, my hair is dry. I sprayed it already at the bottom. I sprayed my scalp just a little bit from here down, and my scalp is not as dry as it was when I first got out, but still a few flakes, as you can see. But my hair is still a little staticky. There is still a little bit of static like to my hair. Not as bad, but definitely. I do like this remedy. I'm going to give it a try again until I'm out of the regimen, so you'll be able to see what it looks like in just a few days after I've done another wash and treatment. And so let's get Gabriel washed and dried, and I will show you Gabriel's results. Alright, so that's it. I hope you guys really liked this video and enjoyed this DIY. I hope you give it a try. I personally really liked it. It was actually pretty easy to make. If you guys are interested in seeing Gabriel's results, please stay tuned for Wednesday, for Wash Day Wednesday, when I post stuff for him on my YouTube and on my Instagram page. So if you want to see Gabriel's results, stay tuned, and I will be posting his results on Wednesday. Today is just how my hair came out. Again, this is Angel. Thank you for watching, and till we meet again. Bye.